Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare rice thattai or rice crackers. For this, let us powder the fried gram first. This is quarter cup of fried gram. I am going to powder this as fine as possible. This is ready. Next, in a bowl, take a cup of rice flour. To this, add the powdered fried gram. One tablespoon of chili powder. 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Required amount of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Butter will make the recipe soft and crispy, but you can substitute butter with oil. Give a nice mix and start adding water. Now add water little by little and start kneading this. You have to make a soft dough out of this. This is ready. The dough has to be very soft. It has to be like this. Now spread some oil in a plastic sheet. Take a small ball out of the dough. Place it in between the plastic sheet and give a nice press. You can use a bowl or a tumbler to press this. Press this as flat as possible. This is ready to be fried now. Drop this slowly in the hot oil and we are going to fry this in medium flame until it is crispy. This is ready. We can take it out now. Our crispy and tasty rice crackers are ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.